Dear friends, today motivational speech, dream it, wish it, do it. Dear friends, whatever you will do it, whatever you will dream it, it will create a designers in the mind. Okay, definitely it will provide inspiration to you to do that. Okay, so as much as you can dream, that much you can get. Okay, so dear friends, this is Akshay Kumar. Welcome to you my YouTube channel AKV Computer and Spoken English classes. Dear friends, follow, like and subscribe my channel in order to get notification regarding all videos like computer, spoken English, general studies, and my target is SSC and Railway. So like, share and follow and comment, and if you can give me suggestion regarding how can I develop my YouTube channel, it will be better for me, it will be blessed for me. So today we will learn top 10 GK question which will makes you expert in examination. Okay dear friends, basically you can say these questions will arise in the most competitive examinations. Okay, so let's begin. Dear friends, the first question, the name of the first British to visit India. Okay, who is the first British who visited to India? Okay, so dear friends, William Hawkins, 1608. Okay, the Mongol Empire was the largest. Dear friends, the first British is William Hawkins, who has come to India in 1680. Okay dear friends, by the way, an important point, Mongol Empire. The Mongol Empire was the largest continuous empire in the world, who covered 9.15 million square miles of land, which was more than 16%. Dear friends, is the most important things, Mongol Empire was the largest continuous empire in the world, who covered 9.15 million square miles of land, which was more than 16%. Just imagine how great the Mughal empires was, the Mughal kings was. Okay, so dear friends, the next question, who is the first Chinese to visit India? Who is the first Chinese to visit India? Dear friends, Fa-hein. Fa-hein is the first Chinese who visited to India. Okay dear friends, he was visited to India during Chandragupta II. Okay, during the Chandragupta II. Okay dear friends, and Hiuen Tsang, the Chinese Buddhist who came to India in between 630 to 1645 AD. Dear friends, Hiuen Tsang, Chinese Buddhist who came India 1630 to 1645 AD during Harshabardhan, during the great king Harshabardhan. Dear friends, next question, the first Indian vaccinated against the COVID-19. Dear friends, the name of who took vaccine for the first in India. Okay, who take vaccine for the first in India? Dear friends, Manish Kumar in 16th January 2021. Manish Kumar in 16th January 2021. Dear friends, he was a sanitation worker who take cover skin at All India Institute of Medical Science in Delhi. Dear friends, Manish Kumar was the first person in India who take vaccine you can say on 16th January 2021. Okay dear friends, and in world, PFIZER Jab in UK who took COVID-19 vaccine on 8th December 2020. Dear friends, just keep in mind, this is the most important. Manish Kumar, 16th January 2021, and PFIZER Jab in UK, dear friends, 8th December 2020. Just keep in mind, this is the most important. Next, first post office opened in India. Dear friends, when the first post office opened in India. When the first post office opened in India. Dear friends, it's in Kolkata. Dear friends, the first post office in India was opened in Kolkata 1727. Reference: in 1949, Odisha became an independent post office with headquarters at Cuttack. Reference: Odisha got the independent in sector in case of postal, in case of postal with headquarters of Cuttack in 1949. This is the most important question: when Odisha got its independent post office, with headquarters Cuttack, 1949. So before it was headed by Patna, Bihar. Difference: in India we have 15 lakhs 515 post offices in India. Difference: till now we have 15 lakhs 5,015 post offices. Difference: and in Odisha 18,329. Difference: in Odisha 18,329. Next question: India's first university. Dear friends, the first university of India is Nalanda University, which was established, started its learning in 427. In 427. Dear friends, just keep in mind, the Nalanda was started in 427. You can say BC. I think BC. Just you have to check it. I forget to write. Next, dear friends, University of Bologna. The University of Bologna was the oldest university in the world. Dear friends, just keep in mind, it's the most important. The University of Bologna was the oldest university in the world, which was established in 188. Dear friends, University of Bologna was the oldest university in the world. Just keep in mind, which was established in 188. Dear friends, there are 1,000 universities in India. Dear friends, till now we have 1,000 universities. Just keep in mind how great our India is. For that, Jai Hind. Dear friends, next question: India's first man to win space. Dear friends, Rakesh Sharma was the first person who went to space in 1984. Dear friends, next, the Kalpana Chawla. The Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to went space in 2003. Dear friends, Kalpana Chawla, who is with the citizenship of America, but origin from India, who was born in India. So she was the second woman. You can say she was the first woman who went to space in 2003. Dear friends, Cosmonaut Valentina and Tereshkova were the first women to went space. Dear friends, in the world. Cosmonaut Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to went space in 1963. Just keep in mind, if any question will come that who was the first person in the world who went to space, it will be Cosmonaut Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to went space in 1963. Dear friends, Yuri Gagarin was the first man to went space in 1961. Dear friends, Yuri Gagarin, I think maximum people know it. Yuri Gagarin was the first man to went space in 1961. So next question: first woman to receive Nobel Prize. Dear friends, Mother Teresa was the first woman who got Nobel Prize. Wow, how great the Mother Teresa was. Dear friends, he was got Nobel Prize in 1979. Dear friends, Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian man to receive Nobel Prize. Dear friends, Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian man to receive Nobel Prize in 1913. Dear friends, Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian man who received Nobel Prize in 1913. Oh my God, how great Rabindranath Tagore is. Dear friends, the Frenchman Frederic Passy. Dear friends, the Frenchman Frederic Passy got Nobel Prize, for the first man in the world who got Nobel Prize. Dear friends, the Frenchman Frederic Passy got the Nobel Prize in 1901 for the first time in the world. Dear friends, just keep in mind. Okay, and Marie Curie got the first woman. Dear friends, Marie Curie got Nobel Prize as a woman, the first woman in 1903. Just keep in mind, 1903. Next question: the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna. Dear friends, who got Bharat Ratna for the first time? Dear friends, Indira Gandhi, Mrs. Indira Gandhi got Bharat Ratna in 1971. Okay, dear friends, Miss Indira Gandhi got Bharat Ratna in 1971. Dear friends, Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was the first Indian man who received Bharat Ratna. Dear friends, as an Indian woman, Indira Gandhi got Bharat Ratna, and Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman as a man who got Bharat Ratna. Just keep in mind, bro. Just keep in mind. It is the most important things. Okay. The last Bharat Ratna got by Pranab Mukherjee. The last Bharat Ratna got by Pranab Mukherjee, Bhupen Hazarika, and Nanaji Deshmukh in 2009. Most important. Just keep in mind. Most important. The last Bharat Ratna got by Pranab Mukherjee, Bhupen Hazarika, and Nanaji Deshmukh in 2009. Okay. The next question: first woman to climb Mount Everest. Dear friends, Bharat Pal in 1984, who climbed Mount Everest for the first time. Okay, who belonged to Autar Singh. Dear friends, Bharat Pal was the first Indian who ride Mount Everest, who climbed Mount Everest, who belonged to Autar Singh. Okay, and Autar Singh Cheema, who was the first man from India. Dear friends, Bharat Pal was the first woman in the world who climbed Mount Everest in 1984, and Autar Singh Cheema was the first man from India who climbed Mount Everest, and Edmund Hillary was the first man to climb Mount Everest in 1953. Dear friends, just keep in mind, who is the first man in the world who climbed Mount Everest? Dear friends, it was Edmund Hillary, 1953. Just keep in mind, bro, and my dear friends. Next question, the last question is: first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest. Who is the first woman who climbed Mount Everest? Dear friends, with the first woman climb Mount Everest, it is Sontash Yadav. Dear friends, Sontash Yadav in 1992, who climbed Mount Everest. Dear friends, twice. Okay, dear friends, Sontash Yadav in 1992 and 1993. Okay, who climbed Mount Everest twice. Okay, just keep in mind the most important. Sontash Yadav is a woman who climbed Mount Everest 2 times in 1992 and 1993. Dear friends, we feel proud that she is an Indian woman, and he got Padma Shri. And Nawang Gombu is the first man who climbed Mount Everest in the world in 1936. Just keep in mind, this is the most important point. Sontash Yadav in 1992 and 1993, who climbed Mount Everest 2 times in the world, and Nawang Gombu, the first man who climbed Mount Everest in 1936. Dear friends, if this video will helpful for you, then like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification, because whenever I will upload any videos, you will get notification. Dear friends, not only computer, but it's all the chapter. I will cover all the chapter. Okay, and my target is SSC and Railway. Okay, so dear friends, let's join with me. Okay, and we will create an evolution in the world. We will create an evolution. Okay, so thank you, friends. Bye bye. Today, good night. Stay safe.